Your pain is the breaking of the shell that encloses your understanding. It is the bitter potion by which the physician within you heals your sick self.
Tracks, levitate cold trains, crack digits, open keys like Coltrane, compressed fossil fuel, cold minor lung pain, celestial necromancer, a cancer, call me sun-same, sustain, hang gliding, Poseidon on desert wave, always ride like equestrian, country club brain, the quest within, chart entrance, I'll be skeleton link fist, crosshair for corner, your aim, born with thorns in my vein, it's evident we need change. Since 85, been ordained under darker days, made the grey shrugging anvils, insight for cage, scorching emerald sculptures that conquered astral planes, nigga AIDS of vultures, government they sponsor plague, acid rain, turmoil serenade. Yeah, scrolls in the wind, resemble Tesla, Coil Boy in the Everglades, calm on some bong empire real estate, flagging down private planes in primal state. Yeah, Saki vein reservoir, it's survival pain. Yeah, brushing on bars, diluted strength. Third eye wisdom wink. Third eye wisdom wink. Third eye wisdom wink. Make sure you don't blink.
Therefore, trust the physician and drink his remedy in silence and tranquility. Khalil Gibran.
T-A-C. T-A-C. I want y'all to see a new MC on the come up.
Emotionally distant, behind rent, God sends no sentiment. I'm hell-bent on vengeance. This misfit repents by getting bent on a cliff. Light a split with the wind. Think are we all insane? I scream my brother's name in vain and stare long at my veins. Absorb the pain and ignite my brain. It's a cold train, don't marinate on the bane. Meditate and train in the insane to remain sane. Take flight like the crane. Pull hard on a cold December day and let my family's embers blaze. Above and respect, so I'll never stray. Relentlessly protect my family through everything. Give my whole being, even on the brink. 20 years old, still strong with the Atlas hold. Your mind is gold, now be bold and break the mold. Filter the voices and make your own choices. Fuck society and its vanity, humanity, insanity. It's time to embrace insanity. Escape reality with buoyancy. Remain unseen like the iceberg in the Dead Sea. Raise the water levels with hip-hop. Forget your devils and God. Let's reminisce green crops. Plant a seed beneath the sod to find your God. Say moms and pops, moms and pops.
Moms and pops, hold your crops. This is a picture you can't Photoshop.